Welcome to AC Tech Talk. I'm Kevin, and I'm here to show you how to wire in a float switch to our communicating ion system. As you can see, we have our float switch in place and our wires routed up to the control panel. We're going to take these two float switch wires and we're going to connect them to the low voltage terminal strip of the circuit board on R and G. Now that we have our float switch wired into the circuit board, let's go to our ion thermostat. We want to go to the menu and go to our service icon. Press and hold it down for 10 seconds. Once it changes color, you're into the advanced setup mode. Now let's go to our setup. Press fan coil, but if you have a gas furnace, you'll see gas furnace. Let's go to our G terminal input. We want to press yes to turn on the G terminal. We want to press our function to shut down and make sure our shutdown type is on normally closed. Save that, press done, and there you have it.